Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your Sensibo Smart AC firmware in Sensibo app. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Open the Sensibo app on your smartphone. Make sure you are logged into your account. Navigate to the Devices tab at the bottom of the screen. Select the Sensibo device you wish to update. Look for the settings icon, usually represented by a gear. Tap on the settings icon to open the device options. Scroll down to find the Firmware Updates section. If an update is available, a notification will appear. Tap on the Update button to begin the firmware update process. Ensure that your smartphone is connected to a stable Wi-Fi network. The app will display the update progress on your screen. Do not close the app or switch off your device during the update. Once the update is complete, you will receive a confirmation message. After the update, your device will automatically restart. You can now return to the main screen to check if the firmware version has been updated. Confirm that your device is functioning correctly after the update. Enjoy the enhanced features and improvements from your updated firmware. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.